Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we're going to put my son's ultrasound picture on a piece of live edge butternut. Through the years, my company has made a lot of custom woodworking projects, and this is definitely the first ultrasound picture I've ever done. And it actually, if you know anything about ultrasound, it doesn't really have the best quality regarding resolution. And that's sort of good in a way, because with wood you also don't have the best resolution, even with hardwood like butternut. The advantage of that is that you get away with quite a bit. So close up you can sort of see the detail. I made it almost like a 3D map, but it's really hard to come out on camera. So there's definitely some, when you feel your hands over it, you actually feel the bumps up and down. And if it helps any, where you see the butternut here, the clear butternut, that's actually above, probably about 1/8 of an inch or 3 millimeters to the darker colors here. But throughout that you can also feel some bumps and stuff that I was able to grab off the ultrasound. Now at a distance here, it looks really, really good. But again, with anything with low resolution, up close it's kind of hard to see. Now here this kid is really well endowed, he's got short little feet, but it came out really nice, and I really like the texture of it, which was one of my goals. Now this does weigh quite a bit. It weighs probably about 5 pounds, so it's really solid wood. And that's the nice thing about having lots of different walnut and other kind of woods available here in the shop. So depending on what the customer wants, I could make something out of that. Now as for holding it on the wall, all I needed to do was put a little thing like this here and put a nail in the wall, and it'll hold totally fine. There isn't a lot of pressure when you think about it. If something's on the wall, there is some downward gravity, of course, but really there's nothing pushing or pulling on it. So just general drywall screws is more than fine to hold something even this heavy onto the wall. So if you're looking for custom ultrasound or any kind of photography done on live edge of any species, contact me at CNCKing.com and I'll make it for you.